GMAT Live Online Preparation at the Preparation Review Learning Center. Online GMAT Prep Course. At the Preparation Review, we make sure that you learn the strategies and techniques that exactly what you need to crack the exam. Our course material and teaching methodology help students to understand the core concepts to solve questions with accurate steps. With hands-on experiences in the field of exam preparation, our students' scores are the evidence of the Preparation Review's success. The Preparation Review's online GMAT prep course gives you the comfort and convenience of learning from your own place. Our crash course, Intensive GMAT Test Prep, helps to understand the concepts of solving the GMAT Verbal and Quant section step by step. Take a free demo class with our trainers to know your study path and clear all your doubts. Preparation is the key to success. Structure of GMAT exam. The Graduate Management Admission Test, GMAT, is a computer-adaptive test intended to ascertain analytical, writing, quantitative, verbal, and reading skills in written English for use in admission to a graduate management program, such as an MBA. The GMAT exam consists of 4 sections: an analytical writing assessment, an integrated reasoning section, a quantitative section, and a verbal section. Total testing time is 3 hours and 7 minutes. Test takers have 30 minutes for the analytical writing assessment and another 30 minutes to work through 12 questions on the integrated reasoning section, 65 minutes to work through 31 questions in the quantitative section, and another 65 minutes to get through 36 questions in the verbal section. The analytical writing assessment section. The Analytical Writing Assessment, AWA, score is based on one analysis of an argument essay. Scores for the AWA range from 0 to 6 in half-point intervals. Integrated Reasoning. The Integrated Reasoning section consists of 12 questions, which often consist of multiple parts themselves, in 4 different formats: graphics interpretation, 2-part analysis, table analysis, and multi-source reasoning. Quantitative section. The quantitative section of the GMAT consists of 2 types of quantitative questions: problem solving and data sufficiency. Verbal section. The verbal section of the GMAT exam includes the following question types: reading comprehension, critical reasoning, and sentence correction. Each question type gives 5 answer options from which to select. GMAT Live Online Preparation. At the Preparation Review offer 2 types of preparation to meet the needs of the students. 1. Comprehensive group class. Or 2. Crash course for private students. Course features of the GMAT course: study resources materials, mock exams, assistance on booking the exams, qualified and experienced GMAT trainer, online preparation using through Microsoft Teams, recording of the class to review again until the exam date. Inquire now to know more details and get a free demo class. Call us 0566291952. Message us on WhatsApp 0551436219. Visit our website www.preparationreview.com/GMAT. Preparation is the key to success.